CLSA has come out and put in another target on Nestle. They have upgraded the stock 52.26. The target is, I think, 58.50. But we have Navneet joining us with more details on that. There's also talk about an MSCI inclusion given their ease on liquidity requirements for listing companies. Navneet, what do you have for us?
Hi Tanveer, I'll first start off with the MSCI news where MSCI has removed the minimum liquidity requirement which actually qualifies Nestle India to enter MSCI Global Index. We reported this yesterday as well. Well, there is no announcement of the stock getting included so far, but there is a likelihood because of which we are seeing some positive reaction coming in on the stock today. Well, the other positive news for the company is that CLSA has upgraded the counter to outperform with a target price of 58.50 as you just rightly mentioned. Well, CLSA in its report has stated so far Nestle India has been underperforming the FMCG index because of some internal and external issues. Well, the external issues remain the economic slowdown which we've seen, but there were some kind of internal issues for the company like capacity constraints, portfolio rationalization as well as aggressive price hikes which the company has taken in the past few quarters. But going forward, CLSA has said that they see the internal issues for the company subsiding, and the lower import dependence also places Nestle better than its peers. That's essentially because of high agri bias which the company has, and it has also said that it sees less than 20% import dependence for the company, and also it says that talking about the earnings potential going forward, the lower base, improving revenues will accelerate the earnings growth for the company. Therefore, it expects 20% plus over FY15. And well, if you look at the stock today, it's doing pretty well right now, up about 2.7%. In fact, the volumes today have been pretty good. Last when I checked on NSE, almost 35 shares were traded.